Hello, Mom. I'm thinking of fasting for Ramadan this year.
That's wonderful, Beta. Fasting is a great way to develop self-control and empathy for those in need. How do you feel about it?
I'm a little nervous, Mom. I've never fasted for a whole day before.
It's natural to feel nervous, but you'll get used to it. Just make sure to eat a nutritious Sari pre-dawn meal and stay hydrated throughout the day.
Okay, Mom. What if I feel really hungry or thirsty during the day?
Remember, Beta, that fasting is not just about abstaining from food and drink, but also about being patient and mindful. If you feel hungry or thirsty, just take a few deep breaths and remind yourself of the purpose of fasting.
All right, Mom. I'll try my best.
That's all anyone can ask for, Beta. I'm proud of you for taking this step. Let's make a plan to make sure you're eating healthy and staying safe during Ramadan.
Mom, what if I accidentally break my fast?
Beta, it's not the end of the world if you accidentally break your fast. Just make sure to repent and continue fasting for the rest of the day. And if you're unable to fast for some reason, you can always make up the missed days later.
Okay, Mom. That makes me feel a little better.
Also, remember that fasting is not just about abstaining from food and drink, but also about being mindful of your actions and behavior. Try to be more patient, kind, and compassionate towards others during Ramadan.
I'll try, Mom.
I know you will, Beta. And don't forget to pray and read the Quran during Ramadan. It's a great way to connect with Allah and seek forgiveness.
I won't, Mom. Thanks for the advice.
Anytime, Beta. I'm always here to help. Now, let's make a plan for your Sari and Iftar meals, and make sure you're getting enough rest during Ramadan.
Mom, can we invite some friends over for Iftar?
That's a great idea, Beta. I'd love to help you host an Iftar party. Who would you like to invite?
I was thinking of inviting my friends from school and maybe some of our relatives.
Sounds like a plan. Let's make a guest list and start planning the menu. What kind of food would you like to serve?
Can we make some samosas and pakoras? And maybe some fruit salad?
Yummy! Those are all great choices. I'll help you make the samosas and pakoras. And we can also make some dates and kebabs.
That sounds like so much fun. Mom, thanks for helping me plan this party.
Anytime, Beta. I'm always happy to help. Now, let's get started on the preparations.